How to use Travelers Home Insurance as a properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Travelers Home Insurance is a trusted provider, but many homeowners make mistakes that leave them underinsured or cost them money. The surprising truth is that simply having a policy isn't enough. You need to understand how to use it properly. One major mistake is underestimating coverage limits. Standard policies may not fully cover replacement costs, especially with inflation and rising construction expenses. Regularly review your policy to ensure it reflects the true value of your home and possessions. Neglecting liability coverage is another trap. Travelers includes personal liability protection, but lowering limits to save money can leave you vulnerable if someone is injured on your property. Failing to update your policy is also common. Renovations, home improvements, or major purchases can affect your coverage needs. Not notifying travelers may result in denied or reduced claims. Overlooking discounts is another mistake. Travelers offer savings for bundling policies, installing security or safety systems, and maintaining a claims-free history. Missing these opportunities can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Document damages carefully, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can get the most out of Travelers Home Insurance. Ensure your coverage matches your home's current value. Maintain sufficient liability protection. Update your policy regularly. Use discounts and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively and protects your home and family.